Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your PlayStation 5 controller when you're connecting it to your PC. And this is very easy to do, so let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I have my PlayStation 5 controller connected to my PC. What are some ways I can go ahead and turn this off so you don't see the light bar anymore? Well, one of the simple ways is just go ahead and disconnect it from your PC and you'll see it will turn off the light bar right away. Now, if you do have this connected wirelessly, let's say there's an adapter out at some point in the future, if you go ahead and turn on your PlayStation 5 controller, you'll see that the light bar is going to go ahead and turn on. And it's very simple to turn this off. What you need to do is locate the PlayStation button right in the middle of the controller. Go ahead and hold this down for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Just keep holding it down and eventually your controller will turn off. Now this is the same on the PlayStation 4 controller as well. So you don't even need to have the console around for your controller to turn off. So my controller is completely turned off. Now when you go ahead and connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your PC via the USB cable, you'll notice that the light bar will stay on even when you shut off your computer. Well, this is fine to do. Your battery is charging. You're not going to harm your controller. At some point your battery will actually shut off, so it's not charging your battery anymore. So it's not going to harm the controller one bit by doing this. And sometimes I'll actually just leave my controller connected like this and pick it up the next time I'm playing. It could be a couple days, but if you're kind of annoyed by the light staying on, just go ahead and disconnect it and it'll shut off. But if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.